Welcome back. Ever wonder why Bitcoin isn't sitting at 200K right now, even though the halving passed and ETFs are breaking records? Today, I'm unpacking one of the wildest theories in crypto, the Bitcoin death spiral, and why some of the biggest banks on Earth might actually want the price to stay low. Stay till the end. I'll give you the live numbers and 3 possible endings. Micro story, emotion. Last week, my friend texted me, Andrei Jikh, JP Morgan is shorting MicroStrategy so they can buy Bitcoin at a discount. Is that legal? My first reaction? Show me the data. What I found was a 2001 SEC study, $800 million a year in preferred dividends, and a clock that's quietly ticking inside Michael Saylor's boardroom. Death Spiral 101 analogy. Picture a company that owns $59 billion of Bitcoin, but owes $16 billion to preferred investors. Every year, it must pay $800 million in dividends, whether BTC is 60K or 6K. If the company's stock price trades below the value of its Bitcoin, called NAV, it can't issue new shares at a premium. Instead, it starts selling Bitcoin to pay the bills. Sell, price drops, more selling, spiral. That's the mechanics in 30 seconds. Historical proof, credibility. This isn't crypto fiction. In 1873, the Ottoman Empire borrowed in gold it couldn't print. When European banks stopped lending, they sold gold to pay interest. Gold price fell, they needed to sell more gold. Default followed. Fast forward to 2010. Greece borrowed in euros, couldn't print euros, sold airports and ports to pay debt. Same pattern. The instrument changes, the trap does not. Live numbers, screen ready. Here's today's snapshot, Sept 13, 2025. MicroStrategy, NAV, 1,990 per share. Stock price, $150. 12% discount cash reserve, 144. B, 21 months of dividend coverage. Annual burn $800 REM, preferred DAV plus bond interest. At this burn rate, late 2027 is the theoretical wall, unless the stock trades above NAV again. Bank angle, follow the money. JP Morgan research openly states, if MSTR trades below NAV for extended periods, index removal and refinancing risk increase. Translation, they profit if the stock drifts lower. Jim Chanos and at least 2 other hedge funds have open short positions. Is it coordinated? No smoking gun. Is it incentivized? Absolutely. Every 50 drop in BTC means 3.25. B, cheaper Bitcoin for buyers on the other side. 3 scenarios. Fork in road. Scenario A, premium returns. Stock rallies above NAV. Saylor issues new shares. Cash pile refilled. No BTC sales. Scenario B, sideways grind. Discount stays 5 to 15%. Cash lasts 21 months. No spiral, but no growth either. Scenario C, spiral triggers. Cash depleted, BTC sales begin, price falls, more sales, death spiral. Right now we hovering between B and C. That SY volatility is creeping back. Q&A, what should I do? Q, should I sell my Bitcoin? A, no. The spiral only starts if MSTR runs out of cash and the discount persists. Bitcoin itself is unchanged, actually more bullish long term because supply gets tighter if they sell. Q, trade MSTR instead. A, only if you can stomach 50% swings, otherwise stick to spot BTC or ETF. Personal take, trust build. I'm still dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin every Friday. Why? Because fear headlines, discount days. If everyone agreed BTC should be 200K, it would already be there. Uncertainty is the coupon. Use it. Call to action, engagement. Comment, spiral if you're tracking the NAV discount, premium if you think the stock flips green. I'll randomly pick one person and send $50 in Bitcoin via Lightning. Let S. See who S paying attention. Fed cuts, rates, what happens to housing versus Bitcoin? Make sure you're subscribed with the bell on. The macro chessboard moves fast. Smash that like if this cleared the fog. Share with a friend who's panic texting you about MSTR, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep stacking, keep learning. Peace out.